Good afternoon, YouTube. Going to talk to you about something serious real quick. If you're working on your vehicle and you are trying to repair electrical, do yourself a favor. These stupid little connectors right here, do not use these. These are not rated for underhood electrical. They are non-insulated. Well, they have a little insulation around the outside, but they are not sealed. They will get moisture, dirt, and grime down into them, causing corrosion. You can't really see it on there, but it was pretty munged up before I pulled it apart. They will cause corrosion and cause you all sorts of grief. They're great for getting yourself back on the road in an emergency, so use them then. Throw a couple in your glove box, keep them for when you need it for emergency, get home. Proper way to do it: get yourself some heat shrinkable insulated butt splices. Those are the correct way to do it. That provides you a watertight moisture barrier to your electrical connections, which keep your wiring from getting corrosion inside of them. When you're doing grounds or installing grounds, a Dremel tool with a small wire wheel on it works wonders. See how that hole is now nice and shiny where my bolt is going to go back through and give me a good solid connection to the firewall. A good tool for cleaning up your grounds. I use them all the time. I use it all the time. Matter of fact, where did I just put it out? I just set it down. Dremel tool, you can see how much I've used mine. My wire wheel is pretty much trashed. I use it all the time. I buy them over at the auto parts store for like $1.50 or at, Harbor Freight. Use them, polish your grounds up real fast, put some OxyGuard on it. OxyGuard is a chemical that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's or any other major hardware store. It is a chemical that prevents corrosion, it prevents oxidation, corrosion, same thing. It prevents other sorts of material getting into the wiring connection and causing problems. OxyGuard's a great stuff. A lot of the guys I know that do electrical work swear by it. We use it in saltwater environments around boats and marine applications. I'm actually in the Navy, so we use it on ship occasionally, especially for outsourced connections. It's very similar to dielectric grease, but it's designed to get put directly on the electrical component, and it is electrically conductive, so it is safe to put between components to make sure it sandwiches in and makes a nice, clean connection. Just a few tidbits of information you guys might want to know for future wiring. If it saves you a little bit of time down the road, it saves you a little bit of time down the road. Yeah, butt splices. Do not use those stupid vampire splices on anything. They create resistance. Resistance creates heat, and I've seen more than one wiring harness get caught on fire and melt because moisture got in there and started corroding where those vampire splices went through. All right, YouTube, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.